Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we are doing a spend the day with me type vlog. We're gonna go get our hair blow dried. I'm going to Dry Bar. I set up an appointment because I have a dinner today with a cover girl, and my hair, it needs a little blow dry. I actually have the membership at Dry Bar and it is so convenient. I use it especially on days that I have events or things like that where I want my hair to look extra nice. So we're gonna go get our hair blow dried. Then I want to swing by Barnes and Nobles and see if they have a new book. I want to get a new book. I don't know what book I want, but I literally miss having a physical book. So I want to go there and pick that up, and then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and pick up some stuff to caldo de pollo. And I also want to browse around and look at their fall stuff. I actually bought the Witch's Brew wine from Trader Joe's. I don't think I shared that with you guys, and it was so yummy. So I want to pick up another bottle of that because I actually really enjoyed it, and I like it cold. You're supposed to drink it hot, but I put it in the fridge and it tastes delicious cold. It's a little on the sweeter side, so if you like dry wines, you probably won't like that, but if you like sweet wines, you'll like it because it's not too sweet. Let's go get our hair blow dried. Back in the car. I just finished lunch. I have to go to Trader Joe's, and I did not want to go to Trader Joe's hungry because then I would have bought the entire store. So I went to pick up sticks, which I haven't been in years, and I'm gonna say that wasn't my favorite, but I did go to Barnes and Nobles, as you guys saw, and I was about to walk out because the book that I was looking for, I didn't see it in the area that I was in. So I was like, oh, maybe it's sold out because I've seen it all over TikTok. So I'm like, maybe it's sold out. And so I was about to walk out, and I just happened to turn around and it was at the end of the shelf. So I ended up getting the pumpkin spice cafe. I've seen this all over TikTok. They say it's like a must fall read. So I wanted something cozy, something cute, something easy. So just picked this up, and I started reading it at the restaurant, and it starts off cute. So I'm excited to read that. And I also got, do I need this? Absolutely not. But did I fall in love with it? Yes. You guys, look at this mug. It is the prettiest mug. I've never seen a pumpkin mug that's like glass and see-through like this. I just thought it was so pretty, and it's obviously the perfect little fall mug. And even the girl at Barnes & Noble, she was like, oh my god, that's so perfect with your book. And I was like, I know. So I just had to get it. It was a little bit on the pricier side. It was $18. I just think it's the most perfect, simple fall mug, and I love that it's still the shape and colors of fall. So that was it. That's all I got. I don't want to get too many books just because I read a lot on my Kindle, and honestly I read faster on my Kindle, but I just missed having a physical book, and I thought this one would be cute to have. So, and it says The Pumpkin Spice Cafe, it's the season to fall in love. Let me know if you guys have read this, and it is by Lori Gilmore. So super excited about that. And now we are gonna go over to Trader Joe's just to pick up some things to make sopita. I'm gonna make caldo de pollo. And then also I wanted to ask you guys, do you guys enjoy your own company, or is it something that you absolutely do not do? Because I know there's people that cannot, like, they cannot eat by themselves, they cannot go shopping by themselves. I love my own company, like, but I've always been like this. I feel like ever since I was in college, like, I would go to Barnes and Noble by myself, and I would just sit there and flip through books and magazines, or I would go get coffee or just go shop. I've always been okay with like being with my own company. So I can go into a restaurant and eat by myself and I'm perfectly fine, but I know that there's a lot of people that absolutely cannot do it. So let me know in the comments down below, are you the type of person that can go out on their own and eat at restaurants and do things, or do you absolutely need to have somebody? Like, don't get me wrong, I love being with Dennis. I will obviously pick being with him versus being alone, but I can also definitely go do things alone and I don't mind it. So anyway, just a curious thought, because I was sitting at Pick of Sticks and I was like the only one eating there by myself and reading my book. And I thought, like, I wonder how many people do this. Is this like not a thing? Because I know there's people that are like, absolutely not. Who does that? That's weird. I don't think it's weird, but all right, vámonos a Trader Joe's. A cafecito, as you guys saw, because I have dinner tonight. I think I mentioned that to you guys. I have a dinner with CoverGirl, and first of all, let me try this. Delicious. But I have a dinner with CoverGirl, so I need to get in the shower and start getting ready for that. But I wanted to get the soup going, so I've already added the chicken to get it going, and then once it comes to a boil again, I'll add the rest of the veggies. I think once I add the other veggies, I'll then jump in the shower just so that I know that that's done. But oh my god, this is so good. The dinner for tonight is CoverGirl's launch of the Yummy Gloss Plumped, which I'm really excited to try. When I was in New York, I actually had a meeting with Christina, who's part of the team of CoverGirl, and she told me that the plump gloss is not super spicy, because some can be super spicy where it literally like feels like your lips are about to fall off. This is more like a minty feeling, which is nice. So I will for sure take you guys with me. I feel like I never take you guys with me to events because I don't like busting out the camera like in those type of settings. I don't know why. I just like to be in the moment and just kind of enjoy the company of my friends when I'm there. But I will take you guys with me so I can show you guys the dinner. I feel like an intimate dinner is different versus like a huge event where there's like hundreds of creators. So I think this one I'll be able to capture a few moments if I don't forget. That is the plan. I have zero idea of what I'm gonna wear today. Thinking like, what should I wear? What should I wear? And literally nothing comes to mind. Sometimes I have an idea of what my outfit is gonna be for the night, and today I'm just blank. Like I'm like, do I do jeans? I feel like jeans might be too casual. So do I do trousers? Do I do a skirt? I did buy a cute skirt from Reformation, like a really nice one that I was supposed to take to New York with me, and I never did. So I might do that with a sweater. And my new boots from Sam Edelman. I'm not sure. I'm sitting here like blanking out. Yeah, I just need to get this soup done and then start getting ready. All right, we are in the tops section. If I showed you guys my entire closet right now, you would be mortified at how messy it is. So we will not be doing that. Do we do brown? Oh my god, I have like literal... Oh, actually, I just got a top from Amazon. Let me go grab it. Clearly, the kitchen is my favorite spot in the house. Okay, so this is the top from Amazon. She's a little off the shoulder moment. The only thing is that I just wore a top like this, very similar, the day before yesterday. So I don't know if it's gonna look like it's the same top. Kind of looks the same, but this top is cute. So this is a contender. I don't know. I hate when I don't know what to wear. Okay, this is the top. Do not mind the mess on my little couch. So the top that I wore for my pumpkin gathering, it was like both off the shoulder, but I feel like maybe if I do, it looks too similar. I fear it looks well, the other one folded over. This one doesn't fold over. What do we do? Do we just wear it? Obviously not with these leggings. I would do it with some trousers maybe. Okay, this is the skirt I was telling you guys about from Reformation. I thought maybe with this sweater and my brown boots. It looks a lot lighter on the camera, but it's like a nice brown. I'd have to try it on to see what this looks like. Okay, I think I found the outfit. This is the outfit on, and these are the boots. I didn't put both boots on just because I'm too lazy, but it's these from Sam Edelman, and they're a suede chocolate brown. This skirt is a little mini, but I think it's the perfect length for a short girl. So I'll just add shorts underneath so that we're not flashing anybody. But oh wow, these are not even real pockets, and the skirt cost what it cost. Okay, anyway, this is the outfit. I think it's cute. It's simple, it's just a dinner, and it's fall, so all right, we're doing this. Okay, one thing about me is that I just need to accept the fact that I will always be late, no matter what. Makeup is almost done, I need to figure out what earrings I want to wear. I was like, what is missing? My mascara. I have not applied my mascara. You guys, I have been going hard with this Tarte tubing mascara. It just makes removing your mascara at the end of the night so unbelievably easy that whenever I wear any other mascara and I have to take it off at the end of the night, I dread it with my entire heart and soul. And then when it's the end of the night and I'm like, oh, I'm wearing my Tarte one, so it'll literally come off in 5 seconds. It is the best. It thins your lashes. There's no flaking. It's such a good mascara. I want to try the XL one, and I've been using brown and I really like it. I think I can definitely do more with my eyes, but for lips, Anywhere Caffeine from Makeup Forever. I want a dark lip. I don't know if you guys have seen those TikToks where it talks about like the type of makeup that goes with your face. I forgot what it's called, like high intensity, low intensity, or something like that. And I feel like I'm the low one. At least that's the way that I feel. I don't know. And then YSL lipstick and just kind of down. Concealer. And then earrings. What do we want to do? For perfume, I'm doing Replica by the Fireplace. It is my all-time favorite perfume. I think it's one of those perfumes that goes really good with my natural oils, because anytime I have this perfume, I'm like spraying nothing. There's nothing left. Anytime I use that perfume, somebody will ask me, what perfume are you wearing? It smells so good. And then when I tell them it's by the Fireplace from Replica, they're like, what? That does not smell like that on me. So that's the cool thing about perfumes, is that they smell so different on everybody. So if you smell a perfume on somebody, make sure you try it on yourself first, because that's happened to me too, where it's like it smells amazing on one person and then I try it and I'm like, wait, that doesn't smell the same. It's just based on your natural oils. Kerastase hair oil, Elite hair oil, little flyaways. I think I'm gonna run, where are you? My little hair stick from, here it is. I'm gonna run a little bit of this on my fingers just because I have a few flyaways, and then I don't know what the hell is going on right here. Anyway, we'll just hide it. And I am already 2 minutes behind schedule. I was supposed to leave at 5 and it's 5:02. It's gonna take me 50 minutes. Dinner starts at 6, so I'm still good with time. Earrings. What earrings do we want to do? I feel like we need something like a moment. Actually, these are cute. I'm gonna do these. I don't feel like walking to my... Oh, well, I have to walk there anyway because I have to go get my purse. But I think I'm gonna do these. These are always cute. Let's see. Classic earring style. Yeah. Do we need a necklace? Let's see. I wore this one the other day, so I think this would look good. Yeah. Simple deodorant. This is Mega Babe in Sunny Pits. You guys have heard me talk about this a million times because I love it. It smells amazing. Taking this, my powder. I already lotioned up my legs. I just need to put on my skirt. Not my skirt, my boots. I already have my skirt on. Okay, this is the bag that I'm taking. It is a vintage bag, or not vintage, it's a thrifted bag. I don't know if it's vintage, but she's cute, and every time I wear her out, I get a million questions. I need my wallet. Okay, this is a little tip. When you're going to a party or to anything like special or a work, wherever you're going that you like to smell good, I always take my travel size. This is the By the Fireplace. That's why I wasn't stressed that the other one wasn't spraying much. I take the travel size with me and I always spray it right before I walk into the event. And then that way you smell delicious. Okay, take my phone. I'm back home and I literally took off my boots and my skirt and I put on my robe on top of my sweater. Took off my jewelry, I'll take off my earrings. I just had sopita. I made, oh, you guys saw I made caldo before I left. So I was like, that sounds so good because it's so cold tonight, you guys. I feel like it's the first night that feels like fall in LA, and so I want something warm. So Dennis warmed up the soup, so by the time I got home I was able to have sopita and it was delicious. Very, very delicious. So as you guys saw, we had a dinner with CoverGirl for their new Yummy Gloss Plumped. And you guys know Yummy Gloss is like viral big hit, and so now they created the plumped version. I want to show you guys what I got in our goodie bag. This is the goodie bag. Look at how cute. So cute. And they gave us this cute tumbler. I love this color, like this little icy blue color. It's so pretty. I actually don't have one this color, so this is pretty. So they gave us that, and then we also got a ton of the Yummy Glosses. I tried, I think the one that I tried is, oh yes, yes it is. I tried this one. Normally plumping glosses they're made with chili. So you'll get that spicy sensation on your lips and it'll literally feel like your lips are on fire. There are some that have that feeling. These are more minty. So you're gonna feel like that tingly plumping sensation, but more minty versus spicy, if that makes sense. So I'm so excited. I think these are gonna do so well. I tried it on there and it wasn't bad at all. Like, you can most definitely handle it. We got that, and I will be trying them with the makeup look. Now it's time to get out of this makeup, shower, get into PJs, and continue reading my book. So I've been on my way back. I was reading the new book that I just got, which is the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. And you guys, it's so cute. I think I'm on chapter 4 and it's so cheesy and so cute and exactly what I needed for this weather. I just needed an easy read, very mindless, like nothing too deep, nothing that's going to, you know, trigger anxiety or anything like that. It's just an easy read. I needed that. I needed a nice little easy moment. But I am going to take off this makeup, get in the shower, get in my PJs, and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on this solo day. Obviously, we ran a lot of errands and then also did some work stuff, and now we're back home. And it was just a nice productive day. Tomorrow I have to wake up early. I have an early morning. I have emails that I need to check. I probably should have checked them right now, but I'm too tired. Like, my social battery is at a negative. I love going to these events and seeing my friends and just chatting with everybody, but I'm not gonna lie, the social battery gets very, very drained. But I am very grateful, and I feel so blessed that I get to attend things like this. Like, I will never ever take this for granted, and it'll literally never get old for me. Like, it's just so grateful. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.